That's a great question, Amber June. How do the rhinestones always fall in the right way? And I'm going to answer that for you and everybody else right here. So hot fix rhinestones, the gray on the back is the hot fix glue. It's a flat side. And then the top is the facets where it comes to a point. So when the rhinestones are sitting in the holes of the Magic Flock template material, the holes are a little bit larger. So when the stones fall in the right way, they fall into the flat side. And you can see as I push it, the stone does not come out of the hole. However, if it falls in the wrong way, as soon as you're brushing it around, it pushes it right out, flips it over, and now that stone's fixed and it won't come out again. So when I grab my rhinestone brush, I just brush around in the large circles. You can see a few of them are upside down. As I keep brushing, they fix themselves, and you have this rhinestone template ready for your hot fix tape. See full tutorials on our YouTube channel, The Rhinestone World, and a Cameo 4 giveaway every Monday night, 8 p.m.